Welcome to another session in the Njál Saga Tapestry Project, sponsored by the National Nordic Museum of the United States in Seattle, Washington. I am your host and instructor, Claudia Pétursson. If you are unfamiliar with this project, please refer to the introductory video titled The Njál Saga Tapestry Project of Iceland. If you have not already purchased a kit to join us, please go to the National Nordic Museum online store shown in the link below. All right, let's get started. Special stitches, hidden anchor stitches. We know when we want to anchor our thread, we use the blank linen field to do this. Coming from the front, we take our anchor stitch and begin our work. But as we progress, we come to a point where there's no blank field. We've done our outline stitch and filled in our space. We're doing the tacking over part of the couching stitch, and we need to continue with the new thread. So we pull apart the strands to find blank linen. Once we've done this, we put our needle in from above and take our small anchor stitch. And coming from the back, we continue with the tacking stitch. With the small thread that shows above the work, we use our needle and pull it under into the body of the work. Now when we need to finish a thread and anchor it, we do it in the same manner. You can see that we've finished a tacking row of the couching stitch, and we need to finish off our thread. So we do the same thing, pulling aside the strands in order to have a blank linen area, and coming from the back and taking our small anchor stitch, and coming to the front again, and cutting off our thread. Then again, pulling the tail of the thread into the body of the work. Thank you for taking this journey through the Njál Saga Tapestry Project. Please check out all the videos in this series. And the next time you're in Seattle, visit the National Nordic Museum or in Hvalsvöllur, Iceland, the Njál Saga Tapestry Center. We look forward to welcoming you. Välkommen! Tapestry kits from the Njál Saga Tapestry Center are available for purchase from the National Nordic Museum. Please visit the online store, and thank you so much for your support of this project.